Good morning, friend. Ever feel like you live in cartoon? Cartoons have sillier sounds. Welcome to Saturday, June 8, 2024. What's your plan for a weekend, Watch cartoons, me hope. Okay, now here comes your Cincinnati weather report. We go to weather window, la la la. Hello monkey, hello owl, look up there, and we come back and say that right now at weather window, it 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel real good. That also be 18.88 centigrade. Yeah. Imagine what life be like if we had cartoon sound effects with us all the time. That made me think of Looney Tunes and all the great sounds in their cartoons. Very good. Nice sunshine-filled day today. High 77 degrees. Only 20% chance of rain. Low 66 tonight. What's your favorite cartoon sound? You tell Unka and have a good day. Boing.